Hello, in this video I will show you how to restore missing desktop icons on Windows 11. So unless you delete the icons and they are a recycle bin, by default when you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, most of the system icons are hidden, let's say. So for this you need to open settings, then navigate to personalization, themes, and then select desktop icon settings. In here you can choose which desktop icons to appear on your desktop. So I select all of them, click apply and OK, and you'll have the icons on your desktop. My computer has been renamed to this PC, so this is nothing new, but you have access to control panel and the network settings directly. Another setting that may be misused is if you right click on your desktop and click on view, then show desktop icons. This will hide all your icons if it's not selected, but if you select it, they will appear back. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.